Look at the rain coming down on the ground. Storm is right on fucking top of us right now.
Look at the lines coming down the street from the wind and stuff. Look at it. That would be where it is. That's like the eye of the storm.
No, it's not.
I know. There's the bogies. Where are they?
In my pocket. Other pocket.
Oh my god.
Ooh, did you motherfuckers see that? My lighter's inside.
No, I have it in my hand. Oh, it's one time.
Oh! Oh, hell yeah. That was fucking awesome. I haven't been in a storm like this since I was in fucking Florida.
Oh my god.
Not since I was in Naples, Florida.
I'm not sleeping upstairs tonight.
It's not going to be here all night. I don't want that street light in the view.
Put it this way. I'm not sleeping upstairs until the storm's gone. I am not like this.
I'm loving this. Oh, hell yeah, nigga!
Look at the road's already getting flooded. And this just started less than 10 minutes ago. And the road's
Ooh, I
already
got
getting
that
flooded.
one too.
Did you get the line in the sky?
Yes.
I want to see it.
I've gotten every bit of the storm so far.
Oh my god. This is freaking scary.
Laura thinks this is scary. However, I find storms to be very interesting.